Welcome to the video. This week I've asked you to have a look through this code and see if you can spot the errors within it. So let's go through what this bit of code does. This bit of code is going to print onto the screen the words to the song We Wish You a Merry Christmas. It's got two subroutines, one called intro and one called GD tidings. For this first subroutine here, def intro, we're going to go through this for loop here between the range of 1 and 3. We're going to print out We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and we're also going to print out and a Happy New Year. In the second subroutine, GD tidings, or good tidings, we're going to print out good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We're going to print out We Wish You a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Finally, we're going to call the subroutine intro and the subroutine good tidings. Have a look at the code, see if you can spot any of the errors within. There's quite a few this week. See if you can find what they are, and I'll go through in a minute or so. Okay, hopefully you've managed to have a look through and hopefully you spotted most or all of the errors. Let's go through line by line. So let's start with line 1. There's definitely an error on this line here. On this line, we're defining our function or our subroutine intro. Unfortunately, what we're actually missing there, we're actually missing the brackets. Anytime we do a subroutine or a function, we should have some brackets there. If we wanted to, we could call and put a variable into that, and it would carry through into our subroutine or function. So that's what we're missing there. And while we're at it, I've also spotted the same error on line 6 as well. So let's just fix that while we're doing that. Okay, so our first line now is all correct. We've got intro, so that's going to be our introduction. And we've got the brackets in there, and we've got our all-important colon at the end. As we know, after a colon and a bit of Python, what we need to do is actually indent the code. That's indented there. That's all well and good. And on line 2, this is our for loop. So for I in range between 1 and 3. There is an error here on this line here. And hopefully you've spotted this one as well. What we actually want to do, we want to print out We Wish You a Merry Christmas, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. So we need to do it 3 times. Now, the odd thing about Python is for I in range between 1 and 3 would actually only print out We Wish You a Merry Christmas twice. I'll explain why now. It's because between 1 and in range between 1 and 3, so it'll do it the first time, so it'll go through it once, and that number will change to 2. It'll go through it another time, and when it gets to 3, it's going to exit out of the loop. It's only going to do the numbers between 3. It's not actually going to get onto that third value. So we actually need to change that number to 4 to make sure that it prints out 3 times. So let's go on to line 3. So line 3 seems to be right. So again, we've got a colon after this for loop, for I in range between 1 and 4. We've got a colon there. So again, this needs to be indented here. And We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So there's nothing wrong with that one there. Line 3 looks okay. We've got our brackets. We've got our speech marks. Everything looks good. So let's go down to line 4. So again, there's nothing actually wrong with the print statement here. What we're actually looking at here though is a logic error. What this will do at the minute, if we call this subroutine here, it'll go to intro and it'll go through this for loop, but it'll print We Wish You a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's not actually what we want. What we actually want is for it to print out We Wish You a Merry Christmas 3 times, and then at the end put in and a Happy New Year. We need to take this out of our for loop, and this is again errors that we see quite a lot, because when you actually exit this line here, it will obviously indent it as if it's part of the for loop, and this part we are not actually wanting part of the for loop. We need to actually put this in line with the for loop so it's indented as part of our subroutine here. Okay, this print statement here now is not part of the for loop, so what we'll get is we'll go through this for loop here. It's going to print We Wish You a Merry Christmas, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and finally, once it's got to the number 4, it's going to exit out of the for loop, and then it's going to print out and a Happy New Year. So that's our first line of the introduction for this song complete. Great. Let's go on to this second subroutine here. So we've already fixed line 6. The issue there was that we didn't have those brackets in for our subroutine, which is really important that we do that. Okay, so we've got our colon at the end here. So the next part of our code needs to be indented, which it is. Print good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So the part of the songs that we were doing here is we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So the only thing that we need to do with this subroutine here, print out these 2 bits of code here. And that is all sorted. So there's nothing really wrong with this subroutine here. Let's do a little test. Let's try and run this code now and see what happens. So let's click on run. And nothing actually outputs. So we've clicked on run, nothing actually outputs. Can you spot the reason why this program isn't actually outputting to our console? Yes, the answer is because of line 10 here. Remember, if we're calling a subroutine or a function, that subroutine or function needs to be all the way over to this left-hand side, especially if this is the first call to a function. And we're going to have to put this subroutine call here again all the way over to the left-hand side. The reason why we have to put this call to the first subroutine at the left-hand side is because if it is part of this subroutine never gets actually called. This bit of code won't actually run, so we won't actually run any of the code here. The Python program will actually just keep the subroutines in memory, but it will never actually run them unless it's actually called. This is our first call to our subroutine here, so that's going to run through the code here. So it's going to play all of intro, and then it's going to go on to the second subroutine there. Can we spot our final error before I try and run this? Okay, you've got it. So this final subroutine, this is a bit of sneaky error here, but it's one that throws students all the time. So let's click on the run button there. So what we get actually is a name error. Name G tidings is not defined on line 11. It's pointing us to line 11, and you've spotted it that actually we've got G tidings instead of GD tidings. The actual error is a spelling mistake within this subroutine name here. So G tidings instead of GD tidings. So let's just edit that now. So we've now got intro, we've now got GD tidings, and if we click on run, that song should be there printed out for us on the output. So let's click on run now. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, perfect. It's working fine. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you managed to get most of those errors when you saw the code there. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more of these every week. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.